Ever wondered how to make your home smarter? Imagine walking into a house that automatically adjusts to your preferences, from lighting to temperature, and even plays your favorite music as soon as you step in. Welcome to the future, a place where technology has the ability to transform your regular home into a smart home. These aren't just houses, they're automated systems that streamline and simplify a variety of everyday tasks. Imagine this. With the touch of a button or a simple voice command, your home comes to life. The lights dim to your preferred setting, the thermostat adjusts to your ideal temperature, your favorite playlist begins to play softly in the background. Beyond convenience, smart homes offer significant benefits such as improved energy efficiency, potentially saving you dollars on your electricity bills. Even more, they provide enhanced security, giving you peace of mind whether you're home or away. So how do you turn your home into a smart home? Stay tuned as we break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. The heart of a smart home lies in the range of devices that make it all possible. These devices, each with its own unique functionality, come together to transform traditional living spaces into a connected, convenient, and intelligent environment. Let's begin by exploring smart speakers. These aren't just your average speakers. They're integrated with voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. These digital helpers can play your favorite music, answer trivia, or even tell you a joke, all at your voice command. But their real charm lies in their ability to control other smart devices. Imagine dimming your lights or adjusting the thermostat without lifting a finger. Now that's smart living. Speaking of lights, smart lights are next on our list. These aren't merely on-off switches. They offer a spectrum of colors and brightness levels, controllable via an app or voice command. You can set the mood for a dinner party with warm hues or wake up to a gradual sunrise simulation. It's all about customization and convenience. Now let's talk about smart thermostats. These devices learn your daily routines and adjust your home's temperature accordingly, saving energy and ensuring comfort. On a chilly winter morning, wouldn't it be nice to wake up to a warm house without having to tinker with the thermostat? Last but not least, security is a crucial aspect of smart homes. Smart security systems include devices like cameras, doorbells, and locks that can be controlled remotely. You can monitor your home from anywhere in the world, receiving alerts on your smartphone if something seems amiss. But remember, these devices don't work in isolation. They communicate and collaborate, creating an ecosystem that works seamlessly to provide a cohesive and convenient home experience. Remember, the best smart home devices are the ones that best meet your needs and lifestyle. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest gadgets or someone seeking a more convenient way of living, there's a smart device out there for you. Now that we have an idea about smart devices, let's talk about a crucial component, the smart home hub. Think of a smart home hub as the brain of your smart home. It's the central command station that connects and controls all your smart devices. To put it simply, a smart home hub is a hardware or software that connects devices on a home automation network and controls communications among them. When you have multiple smart devices, each with its own app, it can get a little overwhelming. That's where the smart home hub comes in. It consolidates the control of all your smart devices into a single platform. This means you can control your smart lights, thermostat, security cameras, and more, all from one place. Now imagine you're coming home after a long day. As you approach your house, your smart home hub communicates with your smart lock to unlock the front door, adjusts your smart thermostat to a comfortable temperature, and turns on your smart lights. All of this happens seamlessly without you having to lift a finger. That's the power of a smart home hub. There are several smart home hubs available in the market today. Some of the popular ones include Amazon's Echo Dot, Google's Nest Hub, and Apple's HomePod Mini. Each one has its own strengths and caters to different ecosystems. For instance, if most of your devices are from Amazon's Alexa ecosystem, an Echo Dot would be a great fit. If you're more into the Google ecosystem, then a Google Nest Hub might be better for you. But remember, choosing the right smart home hub depends on your specific needs and the smart devices you have. So consider all factors before making a decision. In conclusion, a smart home hub is a pivotal element in creating a seamless smart home experience. It simplifies your life by streamlining the control of your smart devices, allowing for a more integrated and efficient smart home system. A smart home hub is like a conductor, orchestrating all your smart devices to work in harmony. You've got your devices, you've got your hub, now it's time to set everything up. The first step in the journey to a fully automated home is ensuring you have a robust and reliable Wi-Fi connection. Your smart devices will be communicating with each other and the hub through this network, so it's crucial that it's strong and stable. If you're experiencing slow speeds or frequent dropouts, it might be worth considering a Wi-Fi extender or mesh network to ensure coverage throughout your home. Now let's talk about connecting your smart devices to your hub. This process can vary depending on the type of device and the brand, but generally it involves putting the device into a pairing mode and then using the hub's app to find and connect to the device. For example, you might press a button on your smart light bulb, then use the app on your phone to find the bulb and connect it to your hub. Once your devices are connected to your hub, you can start setting up control through a smartphone app. Most smart home hubs come with their own apps that allow you to control all your connected devices from one place. You can turn lights on and off, adjust your thermostat, lock your doors, and more, all from the palm of your hand. Some apps even allow you to set up routines or schedules so your devices can operate automatically based on the time of day or your location. Remember, setting up a smart home is not a race, it's a journey. It might take some time to get everything working the way you want it to, and that's okay. The key is to be patient and persistent. If you run into problems, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support or look for online resources. There's a whole community of smart home enthusiasts out there who are more than willing to help. With everything set up, you're now ready to enjoy the convenience and efficiency of a smart home. As we wrap up, here are some tips and best practices to keep in mind. First off, let's talk about security. With any tech, especially when it comes to your home, security is paramount. Regularly updating your devices isn't just about getting the latest features. It's about maintaining a strong line of defense against potential threats. These updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by cybercriminals, so make it a habit, check for updates regularly, and install them without delay. Next, let's discuss energy efficiency. Smart homes are great at helping you save energy, but only if utilized correctly. For instance, a smart thermostat can learn your schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly, saving energy when no one's home. But it's not going to be very effective if your windows are leaky, letting all that heated or cooled air escape. So, make sure your home is well insulated and optimize your smart devices to work in tandem with your lifestyle and the environment. Now, on to personalization. A smart home is not just a collection of devices, it's your personal haven. So don't shy away from customizing it to your liking. If you prefer the lights to slowly brighten in the morning to mimic a sunrise, set it up. If you want your favorite playlist to start playing when you walk in the door, go for it. The beauty of a smart home is that it can be whatever you want it to be. However, while personalizing, remember to keep things simple and intuitive. You don't want to end up with a house that only you can operate. Family members, guests, even future potential buyers should be able to navigate your smart home with ease. Finally, it's also worth noting that while technology can do a lot, it's not a cure-all solution. Your smart home is there to assist you, not to replace human judgment and action. Remember, a smart home is not just about the tech, it's about improving your quality of life. So there you have it, transforming your home into a smart home simplified. We've journeyed through the fascinating realm of smart home technology, from understanding the role of smart devices to the importance of a central smart home hub. We've also delved into the practical aspects of setting up your smart home and shared some useful tips and best practices. Remember, the transformation doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, perhaps with a smart speaker or a few smart lights, and gradually expand your system. The benefits are numerous: convenience, energy efficiency, security, and even cost savings over time. Sure, the world of smart home technology might seem vast and complex, but with the right information and a bit of patience, anyone can create a home that's not just a place to live, but a truly smart living experience. Embrace the future and take the first step towards a smarter, more efficient home today.